Panaria Group is a leading manufacturer of a wide range of top-end floor and decorative ceramic tiles. The group's revolutionary new production facility at Fiorano Modenese, a major investment for the company, is where its large format, extra-thin porcelain stoneware slabs are produced. This ceramic tile condenses all the top-quality features of state-of-the-art porcelain stoneware in a thickness of just 3 millimeters. Tiles also come in innovative formats of up to 3 meters by 1. Designed with contemporary architecture requirements in mind, these extra-thin slabs are tougher than stone, lighter than aluminium, yet more flexible and workable than traditional ceramic, which means they're ideal for a whole range of interior decor uses or to clad those special awkward surfaces. The plant's strict quality control systems and attentive customer service have earned it the prestigious industrial certification UNI-EN ISO 9001. And thanks to its far-reaching environmental safeguard policy, backed by substantive investments to minimize its environmental footprint, the plant and its processes have also been awarded the equally prestigious UNI-EN ISO 14001 and EMAS certifications. The first step in the manufacture of thin ceramic slabs is the reception and storage of incoming raw materials. The basic ingredients that go into a finished tile are clays, sands and feldspars. These are routed to separate storage silos in a covered area of the factory. Before being accepted, however, all raw material consignments undergo rigorous quality checks to ensure they comply with the company's specified standards. When the time comes for their use, each raw material making up the required mix is checked for quality and consistency by an automatic computerized weighing and dispensing system that will deliver the exact amount of each ingredient. The weighing and dispensing system conveys the required raw materials to the grinding bay. Here they are fed into what's known as a continuous mill. Water and pebbles are added to the mix. The pebbles will help grind up the ingredients as the mill turns. The resultant mixture will be a very fine paste with some 30% moisture content, known in the industry as slick. The liquid suspension is forced at high pressure into a drying chamber, where it is dispersed as a fine spray. The resultant dry powder is known as atomized dust. This fine-grained dust is now the ideal consistency for the subsequent production steps, allowing the material to move smoothly through the next phases. From the drying chamber, the dust is taken by conveyor belts to storage silos until needed on the tile production line. The atomized dust, now with a moisture level of around 5%, is loaded into a hopper, passed through a sieve to remove any impurities, and then delivered to dispensers at the beginning of the production line. There are 2 dispensers at the head of the line, since some products will require additional materials at this stage to give the tile surface a special effect. This will provide a first surface decoration. The pressing phase is a key moment in the tile making process. The main element is the hydraulic press and its control unit. The press is made of sheet steel and can exert pressures of up to 15,000 tons. It is the only press in the whole world able to make 3 by 1 meter ceramic slabs. The press has a matrix on the upper part and a conveyor belt below. The conveyor belt carrying the dust mix is pushed upwards during the compaction or pressing phase by a rectangular piston. During pressing, most of the air contained between the granules of the dust mix is expelled. The result is a smaller, highly compacted tile body. This pressing technique is state-of-the-art. Traditional dust pressing technology uses a ram to compact dust contained in a mold or die. The new pressing method